everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, just coming on quickly. Yesterday when I showed you the plastic things that I'd been messing about with, been in hiding for 6 or 7 years, I forgot to show you something else, and it's this Plarn plastic yarn. That's as far as I've got with making it. I mean, there'll be loads of videos out on this. I can't remember who I first saw do it, and these are just the really cheap bags, which I think work better actually. And people then crochet with it and knit with it and do all sorts of things. So I just thought I would come on quickly for anybody you've probably all seen it, but I'm sure there's somebody that hasn't. So these are quite thick bags. So how I've been doing it, or how I did do it, should I say, as I remember, was I cut this top piece off where the handle is. Sure, there's lots and lots of different ways of doing this, and then I just cut it into little strips. I can't remember what size I did actually. Just cut them like that, and because this is a thicker plastic, it is not stretching very well. So I'm sure there's all different ways of doing this. So you've got a loop. I don't cut the sides off. I suppose you could do it a different way, but doing it this way, you've got like double the strength, if that makes sense. But look, it's taken a lot of stretching, this is, because I think if I remember rightly, you sort of stretched it a bit. But anyway, and then just did it, oops, did it like that, so that you just looped it together. Get a big tug. Have any of you done this sort of thing before? Say I haven't made any projects because, well, I just haven't. Quite whether I ever will or not remains to be seen. But I know people make, I've seen them on Pinterest. People make baskets and bags, and I mean, I've not got any colourful bags. These are, I think that's probably why I stopped doing them, stopped making the yarn, because I haven't got colourful bags. If you've got nice colourful bags, anyway, you get the gist. I just thought I would pop on quickly to show you that for anybody that's got loads and loads of bags. And you can crochet or knit with it, or you might even find something else to do with it, but you just can't throw them away, can you? Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll leave the link to yesterday's video for anybody that might be interested in seeing other plastic pieces. So thanks for watching, take care, and speak to you soon. Bye.